It's cherry blossom season in Seattle, and I'm about to enter one of my favorite Asian restaurants in Seattle, Chef Liao's. Let's go inside. Chef Liao's is an Asian fusion restaurant. They serve many Thai dishes as well as Chinese. All the food I've had here has been amazing. These are the pork egg rolls that I'm very excited to try. The egg rolls are delicious. The first entree I'm trying is the braised prawns in hot chili sauce. This entree is delicious. The prawns have a good hint of spice, but it doesn't overpower the flavor. And just the texture that they cook the shrimp to is perfect. Very good dish. The second entree I ordered is the fried rice with barbecue pork. I'm a big fan of fried rice, so I'm excited to check this out. The fried rice is cooked perfectly, and the barbecue pork has amazing flavor. It definitely stands out in this dish. This entree is beef with garlic noodles. I'm going to try a piece of the beef first. The beef is cooked perfectly, medium rare, great flavor. The stir-fry noodles are delicious. I just finished my meal at Chef Liao's. The food is outstanding. This is my favorite Asian restaurant in the Seattle area. The staff are incredible, very helpful and friendly. I highly recommend this restaurant. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.